Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Voyager rod for fishing. First, make sure the rod is equipped from your inventory. Next, select the correct bait and lure for the fish you are trying to catch. Different fish prefer different types of bait, so choose wisely. This preparation is key to a successful fishing trip and will greatly improve your chances of a good catch. Let's get started. Now let's talk about casting. Locate a good fishing spot, perhaps where you see fish jumping or ripples on the water's surface. Press and hold the cast button to charge your throw. A meter will appear, and you want to release the button when the indicator is in the green zone. This ensures a perfect cast, maximizing your reach and attracting more fish to your line. Practice makes perfect.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a game changer. You can find the link for that and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your line is in the water, patience is key. Watch for a bite, which is usually signaled by your bobber dipping or a vibration in your controller. As soon as you see this, quickly press the hook button to set the hook. Then, hold the reel button to bring in your catch. Be mindful of the line tension. If it gets too high, release the reel button briefly to avoid breaking your line. Keep reeling until the fish is yours. To become a master angler, try these advanced tips. Don't be afraid to experiment with different baits and lures. Some fish are very particular. Also, remember that certain fish species only appear at specific times of day or night, so try fishing at various hours. Finally, consider upgrading your Voyager rod. Enhancements can significantly improve your casting distance, reeling power, and even unlock special abilities, making your fishing expeditions even more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.